Welcome, one and all, to another venture of, well, whatever this is. Anyway, oh god. I had so much fun with my 3D printed knife handle, which it's actually upstairs, that I think that might be what I do for a little while. Like, I like making the wood handles, but I can do so much more detail and everything in, like 3D printing and modeling. So that's what I'm going to do today. Print it out, show it off. Jazz hands. So, after seeing all that, basically, this is what I've ended up with. And as you can see, this one's like a little dirty up there. That is because in a video that you will see next week, I've started making the handle that will slide onto it. There we go. Which I think it's looking pretty good so far. Obviously, when I clean up the blade, give it a little machete-ish blade, it'll look a lot better. I did, however, make the gap a little narrow, so that can all be fixed while I'm epoxying it. I still have to drill the holes to set this in place, finish up the blade, sharpen it, heat treat, but all that will be in the lovely video that is coming out next week. For now, it is just put that off to the side, the handle, and how I did it, which you saw in the first part. So, if you want to see me finish up this little paddle, tune in next week. Because this and this will be done next week. Hopefully earlier than what this video is going out, because I'm uploading this Saturday and it's going up today. Well, I'm filming this part of the video Saturday. So, with all that being said, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more cool projects. I have another idea for a project, because I just recently finished 7 Deadly Sins, the latest on Netflix. So I have an idea for a future 3D printing project. But if you're cool with that and down with that, hit the comment down below what you would like to see. Subscribe if you haven't. Share with a friend. You know, fat guy needs some love too. And as always, I will be back with a better video next time. Because what's better in a video than being able to slice and dice with a sword? So, peace.